Hey little bubbles. Is part 3 of the freaking PaperClip challenge. And yes, I got the skirt from last part. And these are my friends. My weird friends. Sorry, my friend Blessing is a little bit disgusting. But I'm not trying to be mean or anything, but that's just, oh god, no. Okay, so we're gonna be finding a few people, Whee! I could just go jump into the garbage right now. Oh heck no, I don't like that skirt. I used to like that skirt, but it's ugly. That skirt is ugly. It's ugly. Kill me. Just kill me. I wants to die. I wants to die. This skirt is absolutely beautiful. I don't even think I'm going to trade it away. It's just too beautiful. It's so cute. Actually, yeah, I should just trade it away. It's fine. I can always get it again. You don't have much. I saw like 1 billion items on you. I'm just kidding. I'm poor as well. You're not alone. Me poor. Me poor. Yeah, me poor. I want skates, but it's like not worth that. This thing is not worth a skates. Skates. No. Oh god. Oh god. Ow, my voice hurts. My voice is hurting. My voice is just cracking up. I love those. Are just so beautiful. I want those wings. Those are so cute. Oh, those are so cute. I really like that nose. I really like that nose and those wings. Those wings are just beautiful. Absurdly beautiful. Holy crap. And how about Santa hat? The Divine Messenger and Santa hat for both of those. Those are just beautiful. I really want that nose as well. I want that nose and those wings. Those wings are just beautiful. Beautiful. Yes. Yes! I got those wings! Those wings are so beautiful! I got them! Yes! Yes, Queen! Those wings are so beautiful, and so is the freaking nose. Yes, Queen! Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I got the freaking wings. They're so beautiful. Let me see how big they are. Can I see how big they are? Oh my god. They're not that big, but they're so beautiful. Oh my god, that's just amazing. Those are just so beautiful. I think I'm gonna die. Kill me already. Those are just too beautiful. That other trade wasn't part of the paperclip challenge. I just really wanted those wings and that nose. That was just so beautiful. Are you actually? Oh god. I want those. That's just beautiful. Yes. It might be a little bit more. That might be a little bit more expensive. Okay, let's just find another person to trade. Ah! I'm so sad that I had to actually trade this away. I really like this fan, and sad that I had to trade it away because of the video. I had to trade it away because of the video. That's just sad. I don't want to trade it away for the video. Oh, the corset. What? What? Oh god. This is just. Oh my. God. Was it? Does she want to accept that? Oh my god! Oops, sorry. I did not mean that. Oh god. Yes! Yes! This, and this is just beautiful. Yes. Yes. Yes! I miss that fan actually. I miss my fan actually. That just sucks. I like that fan. Yes. 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 Okay, so we got the heirloom cage skirts, the heirloom corset, and the dragon train rose dress thingy. But honestly, these are just so beautiful. I like those. I really like that top because it's actually getting reworked. And I'm hoping the cage skirts gets reworked as well. Because I honestly don't like the model all that much. And I hope this gets reworked as well. It would be. I hope it would have like roses all over it. Just like red roses all over it. Well, you can actually pick the colors. What the heck? This seems like a horrible offer to me, but who knows? Why would I accept this? But I shouldn't be like, should I accept this if it might actually get better? But I have a high doubt it will get better. I'm still waiting. Is she still adding or is she not? What the heck? I feel bad, but I don't really like her offer that much. Work. My friend is disgusting, not in a rude way, but in a funny way.